Hi guys, welcome to the Lucrative Basket Business Masterclass. Guys, I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited to teach you guys. I know that I wish I had a course coming in as a newbie about 3 years ago, starting 4 years ago, starting to do baskets, maybe 3.5. But yeah, starting to do baskets and things like that. I know that we have a lot of people that we follow on the YouTube channel with excellent examples, but sometimes you just can't jump in the middle. Things have to slow down for you to be taught. So I decided to create these 3 free master classes. And also, guys, I will be doing a giveaway at the end of the video. At the end of the video, just comment basket course, and I will be giving away a mystery box of basket items. Okay, so I have my notes here for you guys. Yes, I do take notes. And first of all, starting a basket business, it seems easy. It seems, just, simple to put in words. But when you actually start putting your elbows into it, you're like, whoa, this is more than what I thought it would be. So good preparation, proper preparation is key to starting a lucrative basket business, guys. Okay, first, I'm going to go over now. You guys have to take notes. I'm going to go over naming your business, right? That's the first thing that you need to have in your mind when you're thinking about starting a basket business. What is the name? What will be the name of your business? Okay, so a lot goes into a name. I know when you think about certain brands, when you think about, let's say, Coach, for example, you have an image in your mind. When you think about Victoria's Secret, there's an image in your mind. So what image do you want to put in your customer's mind as your name for your company, which is your branding name? For instance, guys, like my basket business name is Premium Gift Baskets, right? So Premium Gift Baskets, the reason why I decided to name it Premium Gift Baskets is because I want to put in a customer's head that you will be getting premium gifts, okay, with premium items. So that's the picture that I wanted to paint in the customer's head, and that's why I decided to go with Premium Gift Baskets. Okay. Another thing going into names is that sometimes you want to name your business a little broader and not too narrowed in, even though you will be making baskets. But sometimes some of us want to go into making other gifts or making different party favors and things like that. So you don't want to generalize your name and just put basket this or basket that, although you can. But if you wanted to let the customer know in your name that you offer a wide variety of services, that it wouldn't just be generalized to having plain simple basket in the title. Okay, so yeah, that's the name. And then also with the name, what will be a good idea, and what I'm working on right now are t-shirts, designing t-shirts for my business, so that when I go out vending, people can recognize my business as an official business, and they can recognize my basket business as a professional business. They'll take it seriously. And also, guys, the t-shirts, you can have t-shirts made for your business, because you can wear the t-shirts on a daily basis. Like when you go to the grocery store and when you go to the supermarket, you can have your t-shirt on. People love to read t-shirts. I know when I go to the grocery store, if somebody has a cool shirt on, I'll stop and read it and then continue. Okay, so that's advertising. That's like you're doing free advertising for your business. And people love to, start small talk and conversation. So someone will walk up to you and say, hey, what's this basket thing? What is this? Do you make baskets? What's that about? Okay, so that's a way to acquire a customer also. Your branding, preparing your t-shirts, so that you can so you can basically be your walking billboard. I will be revamping my website which is Premium Gift Basket Designs. I'm going to put on the bottom here for you to see. And I will be offering the t-shirts. If you guys needed to, you know, get some t-shirts designed or whatnot, I will be offering that also. Okay, so let's get into it, to the course. Okay, so yeah, so the first things first, okay, when you're starting a basket business, although some people may say, oh, I'll just try to see if it works, I don't know, so you know, that's the most that I'm going to do is just try it. I'm not going to formally apply for any business licenses, okay? And I think that, you know, that's a disadvantage to you in your basket business, because if you don't get official from the beginning, you're never going to get official. And then you're going to be one of those companies that you could have gotten a grant or a loan, and you've been making baskets for years, and because you never register, you were never recognized. So when you do go ahead and register, it's going to look like, okay, you just started. So it's very important to get registered, set up the LLC, guys. I recommend the LLC just because for legal purposes, if you have any problems with a customer in a basket or any type of legal things going on, they cannot go after your personal assets, but they can just go after the business. Okay, so that's why a lot of people like to pick the LLC versus the corporation. Okay, so the types of businesses they have are the sole proprietorship, the S corps, corporations, and self-employed. Yeah, I said that already. Okay, so yeah, so the sole propriety people are basically the self-employed people, where you go and register in your state. It's from state to state. I know in South Florida, where I live, it's the Florida SunBiz, and you just go and register there, and then you just get your business name and you're done. So then there's the S corps, and the S corps actually is the type of business where if you're making, I think it's 23,000 or more, you can choose the S corps if you want or not. But basically what the S corp does is that it allows you to pay yourself as an employee of your business, so that you won't incur more taxes. Okay, so a lot of people like to do that, like to go for that one, but there's a threshold, and it goes it's based on state by state basis. Okay, and then there's the corporations. Everybody knows, you know, regular corporations. And then also, guys, what you need to do when you're about to start your basket business is that you need to get a DUNS number. DUNS, DUNNS, DUNS number. Basically what the DUNS number does is it identifies you as a business. Okay, if you ever wanted to apply for a business loan, the first thing that they're going to ask you, apart from, you know, your EIN number, is going to be your DUNS number. What is your DUNS number? Or if you wanted a grant, do you have a DUNS number? Yes or no? And if you say no, guess what? You're not getting that grant or loan, because they use the DUNS number. And also the DUNS number is used to build your business credit. So if you have a DUNS number, when you go and apply for these different business loans and things like that, and like if you order from Uline, you get the Net 30 account, but that's another story. You will acquire business credit. Okay, and your DUNS number will identify you as that business, and whatever that number will be. Okay, so it's very, very important to get that DUNS number to be able to qualify for different grants and things like that, and to not be left out, and most importantly, to not look professional. Okay, so yeah, guys, I hope you guys are writing all of this down. These are some good gems, good tools, just all good. Okay, so after getting your DUNS number, well, before you get your DUNS number, I went a little ahead of myself. You need to get an EIN number. Okay, as soon as you register your business with your state, whatever they require, some states charge a fee. I know here in Florida, the fee when I applied, the fee was, I think, $70 but last I checked, it went up to 100. So the fees change, they fluctuate. So you want to stay posted and just, you know, check in with your local state and see, you know, what's the, you know, amount for the business registration. Okay. So yeah, guys, I suggest that you guys get an EIN number. The EIN number is free. It's from IRS. As soon as you register your business with your state, then you can go on the irs.gov website, and then there should be an option there for EIN. You want an EIN number, and then the EIN number generates for you. They give it to you, and you hold a copy of it. And it's basically the social security number of your business. Okay, so you get the EIN, it's free, and the EIN is used to open up a business bank account. So if you wanted to open up that business account and you're like, well, I have a business, a basket business, so I'm going to start one, I'm just going to go get a business account, that will not be possible because you do not have an EIN number. You need the EIN number. No banks, well, at least the banks in Florida I know, they will not open. I have Chase, and Chase wouldn't open up my business account without an EIN number. So you need an EIN number, and the EIN number is basically the employer identification number. Some of you guys have seen this number on your, if you still work a W-2 job, you've seen this number on your pay stub, where it'll show EIN number of your employer. So that's what you will be having for your business, because you're an employer. Okay, so yeah, guys, yeah, I'm so excited. It's so nice to give value and give information and to help others, because if you can remember some in the past, in your past, when someone helped you, how it made you feel, then you know that's what makes it all worth it, guys. So yeah, guys, so get the EIN number. And also, guys, all right, okay, so going back to the S Corps. Okay, the S Corps, if someone would decide to do that, they, you know, they would have to have a certain amount of money that they're generating from their business. And basically the S Corp allows you to be both the employer and the employee. So that's really cool. So yeah, guys, I suggest that you check with your states and see what are the requirements for registering your business. But I think that's key, because once you have that in play, then you can use the different services that the banks offer, as far as credit card payments and business checks that you can actually utilize while you're out vending. So that would be really good. So yeah, guys, so excited. I hope you guys are having a great day. I am so excited about this course. And also, guys, I will be putting together a kit, a basket kit. So yeah, guys, let's talk about funding your business. Let's say you're excited, you're ready to go to start your basket business. And right now is the perfect time to start, because right now is we're on off season for baskets. So this will be the perfect time to learn everything that you needed to learn, to accumulate all the money that you needed to accumulate, okay, in order to start your business and be ready for either Christmas or Valentine's Day. So you have what? We're in July, August, September, October, November, maybe roughly about 5 months, okay, to get ready for these upcoming big holidays that will earn you thousands of dollars, guys. Get excited. Okay, so yeah, guys, so ways for funding for right now would be you could do a yard sale. You can, you know, go through your closet and see things that you no longer use, no longer want, and you can just sell them. Or you can, you know, put some things on Marketplace and sell it that way, Facebook Marketplace. And yeah, guys, and you can also do like little gigs. I know that they have a lot of app gigs now that you can do, food delivery and things like that, just to, you know, save up money to fund your business. And actually, guys, if you put away $30 a week, up until by December, you would have about $600, which is a lot for you to have in order, to accumulate the items that you need for your basket business, whether it be buying baskets, buying basket fillers, shrink wrap, pipe cleaners, things like that. So that would be a good thing to do, to get funding for your business. And also family members, you can ask family members to sponsor your business. And, you don't have to, just stop at you if you're just working and that's your only income. So yeah guys, we're gonna go into staying organized. Oh my gosh, guys, I wish someone taught me about this when I started the basket business. I have been in business in general for maybe about 12 years. Okay, so I have had thrift stores, I have had online stores, I have had bake stores, every type of store. Okay, so the basket business, for some reason, you can accumulate a lot of receipts, and also a lot of items. Okay, but we're not going to go into the items where we put the items. Okay, so so when I started with the basket business, running to this store here and running to that store there and seeing a great sale here, I mean, the receipts started to accumulate. I was like, oh my goodness, where am I going to put all these receipts? My purse was overflowing with receipts. Okay, and it was just getting out of control. I was growing receipts. So I was like, what can I do? And I've heard people suggest, well, you can get containers and put the receipts in, or you can put them in envelopes. But I know that all of the receipts are, they give you a carbon copy. And with the carbon copy, it fades away in a matter of maybe a week. So if you were to save those receipts and keep them up until tax time, which would be maybe a year later, those receipts would have erased already. Like, that wouldn't make any sense to keep them. So I needed a better way. So I saw my daughter the other day. She was, uploading receipts. She has this thing going on with, I think it's the Fetch app or something. And it literally scans her receipts, and it tallies up everything that she spent and the rewards that she gets. So I was like, oh, that's so cool. That would be cool if they had that for a business, right? So I went and did my homework, and I found a couple of apps. And one of them that I'm interested in is called the Zoho Expense. It literally scans your receipt. After you come from a store, it scans your receipt. It's an app on your phone, and it does accounting. So it will tally up how much you spent over time within your receipts. So let's say, guys, you were to go to Dollar General and you're buying all these penny items and other items. It's going to count all your pennies. Not that you would need help, but you guys get what I'm trying to say. It will add up all your expenses. And this is important too, because if you're getting ready for an upcoming major holiday and you wanted to know how much did I spend this month, okay? After you did your sales outside of vending, how much did I spend on supplies exactly, okay? You can go through your receipt book and it will tell you exactly how much you spent, and you can tell from looking at your profits how much profits you made. Okay, that is so easy, and I really, really like that. So the three apps that I researched, there's more out there, but I thought it was really, really cool because my accounting system was not great at all. Putting it in a jar or envelope, that was not great. These apps actually scan the receipts and account the expenses for you. So some of them are paid and some of them are free. The Zoho is Zoho. I'm going to put it down here for you. Zoho Expense. It has a free version, and it also has a paid version. And also Evernote. Okay, Evernote, it scans your receipt. It's very easy to use, but the only thing with the Evernote is that it does not have an accounting system. So basically what it does is scans the receipt for you. It emails the receipt to you right away so that you have an electronic copy, but it does not have an accounting system, but it's easy to use. And then there's QuickBooks Online. It's actually a paid app. There's no free version. All that they offer is, I think, a 30-day free 30-day trial, free trial. Okay, so this was really cool. Okay, you can actually use these apps to upload your receipts because you're going to accumulate receipts. Basket shopping, oh my good, there's always a sale. There's always a sale. So receipt accumulation, you're going to have. That's the problem that you're going to have, okay? But you're going to be able to solve it because you're going to have these apps. You can use these apps to scan your receipts, okay? And then also with the Zoho, they have a lot of customer service. They're very big on customer service. So if you were like not a easy learner, you needed to actually speak to someone about questions that you had about the app or about scanning your receipts, Zoho would be the app for you. And that's the one that I'm leaning towards, the Zoho expense app, because it seems fairly easy, and I like the fact that they literally tally up everything that you spent. Okay, so yeah, guys, staying organized is a very important thing, not only in basket business, any business. Okay, so these apps could be your miniature accountants, okay, for half the price or less. Okay, guys, and then now I'm going to go into it's still staying organized, storing your items. Okay, storing your items that you get from the stores, that you order. A lot of us work out of our homes. We don't have buildings and things like that. So with me, when I started the basket business, I started storing things in my home. Okay, and then when it started to take over my home, my living room, dining area, I was like, no, I can't do this. The kids were getting uncomfortable. My husband was getting uncomfortable. So I had to pivot and, just think of a way that I could just, figure out another way to, store this stuff. Okay. So I started to look into storages, getting storage bins. I mean, not storage bins, but storages, period. So a lot of the storages right now, they have specials where you can get the first month free and things like that. So that's what I did. I got into a storage that, I got the first month for free, and I started storing my stuff in a climate controlled storage. Okay. And yes, you do have to pay for the storage, and I pay about $100 a month. Okay, which is not bad because you're storing all of your stuff. It's not taking over your home, and your items won't get ruined because they're not outside in the shed. I've heard people doing that sometimes, and you can do that if that's the only option for you. But what I'm saying is, if you want to run a lucrative professional business, you don't want your items to look melty. You don't want them to look like bugs went through them. You don't want them to look like different spiders went in them because they're outdoors in a shed. So I would recommend a storage facility. Okay. And if you have space in your home, you can start there. But if your business is growing faster, then, you don't have enough space for it, then I would recommend a storage and just take into consideration, the monthly payment as a business expense, So, and to offset that, you can maybe monthly take 1 or 2 items or 1 or 2 baskets and sell them. And then, that'll give you back the price of the cost of the storage that you, spent, that you have to pay for every month. Okay. So yeah, guys, it takes a little bit of investing, but it's worth it because I'm so grateful for my space now, because I had to clear out my dining room and living room. Okay. So yeah, guys, getting organized is big, is key, especially when you're looking for these items to start building the baskets and you're like, where is this and where is that? You don't know where to find it. Is it under the table? Is it in the kitchen? So, being organized and possibly getting the storage with the shelves. I also had gotten shelves I think I got the shelves from Sam's. but I know that Walmart has them too. But for some reason at Sam's, it's the same shelf. I think it's like a 4-tiered shelf. I think I got it for like $39.99 or $29.99, but it's cheaper at Sam's. Okay, so the shelves help with organizing. Even if you have to buy the shelves, if you say, okay, well, I don't want to spend the money on the storage every month, you can just buy the shelf for $29.99 or $39.99 and just place it somewhere in your house, and then you can stack everything up on the shelf in your home and not have your basket business just take over, you know, your, whether it be your living room area or your dining area. You can just have that section there, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm going to stop here for the course. I hope it was informative, guys. I hope you guys took a lot of notes. And like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, comment in the comments basket business for a chance to win the raffle. I will be giving away a box full of mystery basket items. It could be basket supplies or basket fillers. So you don't know, guys, it's a mystery box. But yeah, go ahead and type that in. And I will stop reading comments by tomorrow at noon. Okay, so yeah, guys, I hope this was informative. I hope this helped you guys out. Have a beautiful day. See you on the next one. Bye. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to add that these courses will be free. The 3 masterclass basket business masterclass, they will be free, guys, but I will be teaching a course. Guys, it's going to be great. It's going to be amazing. You're going to get so much value. Your business, your basket business is going to take off, guys, and I'm so excited to teach you guys. So yeah, guys, if you want to check out the course, it's going to be at premiumgiftbasketdesigns.com. I'm going to put it down here with the Z, premiumgiftbasketdesigns.com. Guys, I'm so excited. I hope you are too. See you on the next one.